The SAT math section is not hard. You're just not organized. And so I went through 3 practice tests so far, and I've compiled a list of the most frequently asked questions. The first one is going to be linear equations. If you know slope intercept form for this, that's going to be a majority of the type of questions that you get for this. It was 26% of the 3 practice tests I took, so it is a very big chunk of the SAT math section. I'll move my thing just so that you guys can see the rest of it, and then you have perpendicular and parallel slopes, and then some special cases. Next, we had system of equations. This was about 14% of the questions that I took. And again, you just need to understand how to interpret them and use your problem solving skills to solve these questions. And at the bottom there, we had percent, ratio, and mean clusters all make up 10%. So by mean, I mean the mean, median, mode, those type of questions, and then ratios and proportions and percent changes and percent of. Okay, now we're getting to the kind of hard stuff. The quadratics is what most people lose questions on just because there's so many constants here. So this is everything you have to know. It took about 16% of the questions that I had, but I personally think that it might be a little bit more. And then we have functions and exponential functions as well. So this is another 16%. And then finally, this is the memorization part. You just got to know how similar triangles work and how to create proportions, SOHCAHTOA and the Pythagorean theorem, and then the circle equations and everything after. I didn't really have a good place to fit the miscellaneous stuff, but this is everything there. Makes about 5% of the test. It's good stuff to know if you really want to get that perfect.